everyone, I would like to introduce the topic, which is smartphone. Smartphones are one of the most important consumer electronics in modern life. They are used by people of all ages every day, making them an essential part of our daily routine. A smartphone combines many functions into one single portable device, which allow us to communicate, computing, photography, and even entertainment. Their significance lies in how they transform daily tasks. Activities such as studying, working, shopping, and social interaction have become faster and more convenient. In conclusion, smartphones play a major role in shaping modern society and continue to influence how we live and communicate.
At 1992, the first smartphone has been released. IBM, which is the first smartphone, has been announced on that year. There are some features in that smartphone, such as a touch screen that require a stylus pen, as well as an hour of battery life. Moving on to the 1994, is the earliest smartphone apps has been added to the smartphone. Each phone came with a calendar, address book, calculator, email, notepad, and the other features in every smartphone. In 1997, the mobile gaming has been inserted to the smartphone. For instance, in Nokia 6110, there are games like Snake and Sudoku has been added in the smartphone. Fast forward to 2000, there are some phones that already have the cameras. For instance, the phone brand from JSH04, which is the first phone with a camera. In 2001, the smartphones could connect wireless with a 3G network. This made them easier to communicate with others and send some emails with their smartphones. For instance, we could take pictures and videos in the higher quality and longer battery health, as well as the 5G internet.
And hi everyone, today I will explain the scientific principle of electricity and electromagnetism and how they apply in smartphone. First, let's look at electricity. Electric current is the flow of electric energy from the phone's battery through electronic circuit. This electric current powers important components such as screen, processor, camera, and speakers. So, without electric current, the smartphone would not able to function. So next, integrated circuit. Smartphone use integrated circuits or also known as microchip. This microchip use electrical signal to process data, run application, and store information. They act as a brain of the phone and allow multitasking, fast processing, and smooth performance. Okay, now let's move on to electromagnetism, which is the interaction between electricity and magnetic field. Electrotism plays a very important role in smartphone function. So first, in speaker and microphone, electric current creates magnetic field. This magnetic field convert electrical signal into sound and sound back into the electrical signal. This allow us to make call, record video message, and listen to audio clearly. Next, antennas. Smartphone use antennas to transmit and receive electromagnetic wave. This wave used for phone call, mobile data, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth communication. So without antenna, wireless communication would not be possible. Last but not least, the vibration motor. The vibration motor in a smartphone is also uses electromagnetism. Magnetic field cause movement inside the motor, which is produce vibration, alerts for notification and call. Okay, now let's look at a real world implementation. First, phone call and messaging. So electric signal from our voice are converted into electromagnetic wave and transmitted through cellular network. So another sample is audio output such as speaker and earphone. So electricity and magnetism work together to produce clear and audible sound and allow us to enjoy music and videos. Okay. Other than that, a smartphone can be charged using wired and or wireless charging. Wired charging uses direct electric current from the charger to the battery. Meanwhile, the wireless charging uses electromagnetic induction between the charging pad and the phone. Last but not least, touch screen and camera. The touch screen works using electrical circuit that detect finger touch on the screen. Meanwhile, the camera uses electrical circuit to control image sensor and convert into digital image. So, smartphone rely heavily on the principle of electricity and electromagnetism. This principle enables communication, charging, sound production, vibration, and touch screen function. Understanding this concept helps us appreciate how science is applied in modern technology.
Next, I will talk about future innovation and development in smartphone. For the first major improvement is next generation hardware and connectivity, such as 6G networks and satellite connectivity. With lower latency and faster speed, future smartphones are able to send emergency SOS message without a cellular service. Another point is a non-invasive diagnostic. For example, continuous blood pressure monitoring without external cuff. Instead, they may rely on built-in sensors and advanced light-based technology. Overall, these innovations show how smartphone will not only improve communication but also support safety and healthcare in future.
So, in this slide, we're going to discuss about what is potential benefit of smartphone. First, it supports information and education. Smartphone access to work knowledge, news, and learning resource. It's also access for educational app, digital libraries, and e-learning platform, especially for students who have online classes. Second, communication and social connection. People can instant contact through call, message, and video call. Example platforms such as Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and Instagram. It also have quick access to any emergency communication. Lastly, convenience. It's very convenient because it have multiple functions in one portable device, easy to carry and portable. It's also quick access to information and service. However, smartphones also come with challenges. One major challenge is privacy and security risks. Many apps can track location, which can misuse for stalking or unwanted advertising. Oversharing personal information too much in online can also lead to identity theft or cyberbullying. Another challenge is health issue. Prolonged screen time can cause eye strain, blurred vision, or headache. Blue light from screen can disturb sleep pattern or sleep quality. Another challenge is addiction or overuse. Spending too much time on phone can distract users from work, study, or important daily tasks. It can increase stress, anxiety, or dependence on social media. Besides that, another challenge of smartphone is social impact. People may prefer texting or social media over face-to-face communication, which can weaken personal relationship. Message also can be misunderstood or leading to conflict.
Environmental impact and sustainability are important considerations in modern electronic devices. One major issue is electronic waste, which include discarded devices such as smartphone, chargers, and batteries. Improper disposal of e-waste can release toxic substances like lead and mercury into the environments, causing pollution and health risks. The increasing demand for new technology has also shortened product lifespan, leading to a rapid rise in global e-waste generations. Another important aspect is the recycling of electronic components. Recycling allows valuable materials such as copper and aluminium to be recovered, reducing and the need for the raw material extractions and lowering energy consumption. Proper recycling practice also help prevent bad chemical from entering soil and water system. Furthermore, the use of eco-friendly material and sustainability manufacturing practice is becoming more common. Manufacturers are adopting recyclable material, reducing carbon emissions, and using renewable energy in productions to minimize environmental impact. This practice supports long-term environmental sustainability while meeting technology demands. Maintenance, durability, and lifespans are crucial factors that influence the long-term performance of electronic devices. One important aspect is battery lifespan, as battery degrade over time due to repeated charging cycle. Poor battery health can reduce device efficiency and lead to frequent replacements. And if you charge your phone properly, it can save energy and help extend battery life. Another factor is device repairability. Devices that are easy to repair allow user to replace damaged components instead of discarding the entire product. Improve repairability, reduce e-waste, and support sustainable consumption practice. However, many modern devices are designed with sealed components, making repair difficult and costly. Additionally, software updates play an important role in extending devices' lifespan. Because regular update improve security, fix bugs, and enhance performance, allowing devices to remain functional for a longer period. Without a software support, devices may become obsolete even if the hardware is still in the good condition. Therefore, good maintenance practice and durable design help reduce environmental impact and improve sustainability.
In a nutshell, electricity and magnetism plays an important role of smartphone in our daily lives. The smartphones rely on electrical energy from battery to operate their circuits, processors, and displays. Thus, the principles of electricity and magnetism enable the smartphone to function efficiently and become an essential parts of modern communications.